hear the term superfoods thrown around a lot these days, and basically they're foods that are super healthy and nutrient rich and really good for you. So let's get some into the patch.
Healthy veggies start with healthy soil. So before you plant, get your hands on a bottle of Seasol Liquid Compost. It's a dynamic soil conditioner, soil improver and plant health treatment all in one. So it's designed to revitalise and rejuvenate your soil, improve soil structure and moisture retention. It also breaks up clay and reduces nutrient losses in sandy soils. And the added Seasol provides a tonic and health treatment for every plant in your garden. Best of all, it's a liquid, so there's no need to dig it in.
If you're looking for a superfood with a difference, then check this out. This is called a Kale Sprout. So it's a cross between a kale and a Brussels sprout. So you get these small green rosettes all the way up along the stem and then a frilly top like kale. This is the green one, but there's also a Kale Sprout Red, which as you can see, has the reddish stems, but also purple red running through the little rosettes. They're both packed with flavour and goodness and they grow really well through the cooler months.
If a fruit or veg is a lovely deep purple colour, it's generally a sign that it's packed with disease-fighting antioxidants. So this purple pak choy is a fabulous addition to a stir-fry. The flavour is sweet with just a hint of mustard. It's fast-growing, so you can harvest the leaves as you need them in just a matter of weeks, or cut the mature head off about 2.5 centimetres above the ground and leave it to re-sprout.
Now the leaves are green when they're young, but they mature to this beautiful deep maroon colour. So they bring colour to the garden and the plate.
If you want a serious superfood hit, get some red Chinese cabbage into the garden too. It's jam-packed with antioxidants and damn good in a stir-fry.
So for those of you that haven't grown Chinese cabbage before, they have a barrel-shaped head with a dense heart and then tightly packed, nice crisp leaves.
The flavour is sweeter than normal cabbage and the splash of red is just divine.
So get some superfoods into the garden this season and grow your way to a healthy body.